Medha Auxiliary Power Unit Type MAP 756. Locomotive idling. Most of the goods trains are waiting for long periods in station yards. Indian Railway statistics says almost 40% of the total run time of a diesel locomotive is idle only. A lot of fuel is wasted when the locomotive is waiting for long periods in the station yards, especially goods trains. Drivers can shut down the diesel engine to save fuel, but they do not do it. Why not shut down? The drivers can switch off the diesel engine and save fuel instead of running it idle, but they don't do because BP pressure reduces in the formation due to leakages. It takes longer time to charge the BP again. The crew does not have confidence that loco can recrank. What is wasted? The fuel consumed per hour on Alco locomotives is around 25 liters per hour. If you take 60 rupees per liter, the cost per idle hour running is 1500 rupees. If you take on an average 10 hours per day idling hours, then the cost is 15,000 rupees. Roughly, if you take 330 days, it costs 4,95,000 rupees. If a home shed is having 100 locos, almost all 49 crores worth of fuel is wasted in a year. What can be saved by crew? Normally, the driver is on duty for 8 hours per day. Out of that, minimum 6 hours is in locomotive. Out of 6 hours, minimum 1 hour is waiting period. In 1 hour, he can save 23 liters of fuel oil per day. On an average, in a month, the working days are around 24 days. He can save 24 multiplied with 23 equal to 552 liters per month. Financially equivalent to 552 multiplied with 60, 33,120 rupees per month. On an average in a year, he can save 3,97,440 rupees. AESS with APU. APU switch is provided under alarm push button. Keep always this switch in normal position to save fuel. If this switch is in off position, 1701 operator disabled APU message is displayed while the breakers are switched on. Thereafter, for every 10 minutes, the system reminds the driver with a message 2076 APU enable switch is in off position. Warning, cannot enter into fuel save mode. Keep this switch in off position only when there is a problem with APU functionality. AES with APU. APU is located in the nose compartment under dynamic brake grid resistors and after the air brake panel. This is an add-on unit to microprocessor based loco control system. It is called as AESS with APU. It starts automatically and stops automatically as per the driver's request. Statutory warnings. Do not perform any jobs on main engine or APU engine keeping APU switch in normal position. Engine may automatically start or stop and can cause human injury or death. Switch off APU switch and then perform the work on engines. APU inside the nose compartment. There is a glass door on the APU. Behind the glass door, there is a battery cutout switch. When the display prompts to open this cutout switch, please open this switch manually. There is an emergency stop lever to stop the APU engine in case of any problem. Whenever display prompts to manually shut down the APU engine, pull the lever towards you to shut down the APU engine. AES with APU working. Stop the train with A9. Apply loco brakes and ensure BCP is more than 1.5 kg per centimeter square. If the restart time is more than 30 minutes, keep the RH in neutral position. After every parameter is within limits for 10 minutes, the display is shown with a decremental counter. After the counter is 0, the system automatically starts the APU. Main engine is shut down. The display screen is changed to APU screen. All relevant parameters are displayed. MCBG screen is changed to starting screen. Small motors like DEM, CCM, FPM and RBM are switched off. DEM engineering, DEB carb indications start glowing. Auxiliary fail indication glows but battery ammeter will be showing charging side. Do not worry about these indications. Warnings. While APU is running, if battery ammeter is showing discharge side or MR is continuously dropping and reached below 6 kg per centimeter square, the APU is automatically stopped and main engine is cranked automatically. If APU is continuing to run in spite of the above, manually shut down the APU and crank the main engine. How to start the train? As soon as the signal is in favor, simply throw the RS to working direction. 2077 system returning from fuel saving mode. Message is displayed. Small motors are switched on. Within 5 seconds, the main engine is cranked automatically. APU engine is shut down. Display returns to normal screen. Driver can start the train as per railroad rules and regulations. Troubleshooting. Faults during main engine to APU changeover. 1. 1284. APU shutdown contactor struck closed fault. Open APU battery cutout switch. Faults during APU to main engine changeover. APU shutdown contactor failed. Manually pull the emergency shutdown lever to shut down APU engine. 1278 APU cranking contactor stuck closed. Fuel save mode prohibited. Open APU battery cutout switch. Shut down APU engine manually if running. May the training team. Thank you.